Hello, my name is Sally Holland and I'm the Children's Commissioner for Wales. It's my job to promote and safeguard the rights of all children and young people in Wales. And that's why I think it's so important that we change the law that allows parents, when they hit their children, to claim that it's reasonable punishment. And here are my top 3 reasons for why. Number 1, it's the only law I can think of that gives children less protection than adults. There is no defence in the law for hitting another adult. Children should have more protection, not less. Secondly, research shows that when children are smacked, they have poorer outcomes than those who are not smacked. Thirdly, 46 other countries have already successfully banned physical punishment. When we change laws, people's behaviour changes more quickly than by education alone. I think it's time for our politicians to step up and lead the way so that Wales is the first country in the UK to change the law on this. Come on Wales, let's do it.